In this video, I'm going to show you how to download apps without using Apple ID password on any iPhone and iPad. Actually, this method works for both old model and new model iPhones. Okay, first open Settings and scroll down and open Face ID and passcode. Then enter your iPhone screen passcode. Okay, now you can see this option iTunes and App Store. Just turn off this. For new model iPhones only, you need to turn off this option. For old model, you don't need to turn off this. Just follow the upcoming steps. That's it. Now back, scroll up, then open your Apple ID. Now open Media and Purchases. Then tap Password Settings. Now here turn off this option Require Password. Now enter your Apple ID password. Then tap OK. Then click Done. Now back. Now scroll down a little bit and open Screen Time. If you didn't turn on the screen time, just turn on the screen time. Then you will see this option Content and Privacy Restrictions. Open that. Now turn on this Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now open iTunes and App Store Purchases. And here switch this to Don't Require. That's it. Now minimize this. Now open App Store and install any app. Just tap Install. That's it. No need to enter any password or no need to show your Face ID or Touch ID. Nothing. Just tap Install. That's it. You are done. And this is how you can download apps without using Apple ID password on iPhone and iPad. I hope this video helps you. If it really helps, means leave a like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.